UrgoStart Plus Pad is a local treatment that reduces healing time, acting from day 1 to complete healing. For all leg ulcers, pressure ulcers, and diabetic foot ulcers, remove one side of the protective transparent film. Carefully apply microadherent side to the wound. Remove the second side of protective transparent film and gently apply the rest of the dressing. Secure the dressing with a conforming bandage and adhesive tape. UrgoStart Plus Pad is also suitable for leg ulcers. For very high levels of exudates, you can use a superabsorbent secondary dressing on top. UrgoStart Plus Pad is moderately absorbent. If you need a higher level of absorption, use a superabsorbent secondary dressing on top. UrgoStart Plus Pad can be cut to fit the shape of the wound.